Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanics 757. If you own an Outback and you cannot find the spark plugs and it's driving you crazy, I'm going to show you where it's at. This engine is a little messed up. That's not the point of this video. So I'm going to zoom in and I'll point my finger right to it, right there. So I'm going to zoom out. If you look at the side of the engine, you come all the way down the very side of the engine, there's your coil pack sitting right here. I got my finger right on it. You got one here, and you got one sitting right there. So that means it's a 4-cylinder. And if you're looking for the starter on the Outbacks, they're back here. Starter sits right back there. That's the starter. It's a different design, but it does the same. And on this side, one of the coil packs is sitting right here. It has like a yellowness to it. I'm trying to point it right there. It's kind of hard because they have it on the side of the engine. And it's right there. And then you have another one that's sitting right down there. So you got one right here. Let me back up. You got one sitting right here and here, and on both sides of the vehicle, that's where it's at. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and leave positive comments and positive advice. We all like to learn. Thank you.